Assalamu alaikum everyone. Today I'm making chicken pot pie. A crispy flaky crust on top with the gooey chicken and veggie mixture. And it's my family's absolute favorite dish. I have a lot of requests for this dish as well. And since it's holiday season, you must have a lot of leftover chicken. That's the best way to utilize it. So let's go and see what we need for this yummy recipe. So I have these chicken cubes. As I already mentioned, you can use any leftover chicken as well. Then for the veggies, I have onion, broccoli. Then I am using some frozen peas and carrots. Then I'll be using a potato. I have some milk for the sauce. For the seasoning, I'll be using mustard powder, salt, black pepper, some all-purpose flour and butter. To top off my pot pie, I'll be using these puff pastry sheets. Some people use pie crust as well, but puff pastry take it to another level. So if you're using uncooked chicken like me, first you have to cook the chicken. Take a small saucepan, add chicken, salt and black pepper and cook this chicken until it's completely done. And then take it out and shred your chicken and keep it on the side. If you're using the cooked leftover chicken, skip this step. Then in the same saucepan, I boiled my cube potatoes, and then when they are almost done, I added my frozen carrots and peas and let them cook completely. And now it's time to make a creamy chicken sauce. And for that, first I melted my butter, then add chopped onions. And now cook onion until they are soft. Then add your all-purpose flour in your butter and onion mixture and cook for a minute or two or until you start smelling the aroma of cooked flour. Then switch off the flame and very slowly add your milk. Stir, 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 and then mix until all the flour mixture is completely mixed with the milk, and make sure no lumps are there. Then put it back on your flame and cook it on low until your sauce is started to get a little thickened. And now time to add your seasoning, your salt, black pepper and mustard powder. Mix them completely. Then add your cooked chicken. Mix, mix, mix. And now time to add your all cooked veggies. And then I add broccoli. I haven't cooked or steamed that broccoli, but if you want you can do that. But I think without steam it's perfect. Then mix everything with the sauce. Bring it to one boil and just switch off the flame and keep this mixture on the side. And now it's time to assemble. Take your baking dish, grease it, and then pour all your cooked chicken and veggie mixture. Now you can use little small ramekins or any small pie dish, but I'm using whole 9 by 13 inch dish for my family. Just spread it evenly in your baking dish. Now take your puff pastry sheet and put it on top of your baking dish. Just tuck the sides around your dish corners. I use almost 1.5 sheet. So just seal the seam with the help of your pinch. Now use a knife to cut little vents on all over surface of your pastry. Then I totally forgot to mention about the egg in the ingredients. So I just make an egg wash by adding 2 tablespoons of water in 1 egg and then brush the whole egg white on top of the pastry with the help of my pastry brush. Now this goes in the oven on 400-degree Fahrenheit and bake until you have a golden crusty top. And then I had some leftover pastry, so I cut some little triangles and just for the decoration I put them on top of it, and that's totally optional. So here's my chicken pot pie with some crisp golden top. The best part of making a pot pie is you can throw in any veggies you like. Some fresh herbs, parsley, thyme, or cilantro goes well with that as well. A real staple for fall and winter. I hope you like this recipe. If you tried this at home, please let me know how it turned out with you guys. And if you want to learn something else, please let me know. Leave me a comment down below and I'll try to make it happen for you guys. Once again, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe on YouTube channel or follow me on other social media platforms.